Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word, your daily dose of vocabulary enrichment. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today as we delve into the fascinating world of words. Today's word is breed, a C1 level noun meaning animal variety. So, what exactly does breed mean? Well, it refers to a specific type of animal, usually domesticated, that has been selectively bred by humans to have particular characteristics. Think of it like different models of cars, but for animals. It's about the traits that make a group of animals distinct from others within the same species. You'll often hear about dog breeds like golden retrievers, German shepherds, or poodles. These aren't just random differences. They're the result of intentional breeding over generations to emphasize certain qualities, like size, temperament, or appearance. It's important to note that the term breed is also sometimes used metaphorically, but we'll focus on its primary meaning relating to animals for this episode. Now, let's explore some synonyms for breed to help you expand your vocabulary. A good synonym is strain, which also implies a specific type or lineage, especially in animals or plants. For example, this strain of sheep is known for its high wool yield. Another synonym we can use is kind, though it's a bit more general. You might say, what kind of dog is that? While not a perfect replacement in every context, it conveys a similar idea of categorization. Another possible synonym, in some contexts, is stock. For instance, these horses are of fine stock. Let's look at how these synonyms work in sentences. Instead of saying, that's a rare breed of cat, you could say, that's a rare strain of cat, or that's a rare kind of cat. You see, while they're not always interchangeable, they capture the essence of specifying a particular type. Now, let's consider antonyms of breed. Since breed implies a specific category, an antonym would be something that represents a lack of specific categorization, something mixed or undefined. The word mongrel can be used as an antonym. A mongrel is a dog of mixed or unknown breed. An example of using this in a sentence would be, the dog wasn't a pure breed, it was a mongrel. Another antonym can be hybrid, specifically referring to crossbreeding. For example, the plant was a hybrid resulting from two different species. Another opposite could be generic, implying a lack of specific breed characteristics. Imagine saying, it was just a generic farm animal, not belonging to any specific breed. So instead of saying, this is a carefully developed breed, you could say, this is a mongrel dog, highlighting its mixed heritage. How can you use the word breed in everyday conversations? Well, if you're at a dog park, you might ask someone, what breed is your dog? Or if you're discussing farming, you could say, they raise a hardy breed of cattle on that farm. You might even hear expressions like, poverty can breed crime, though that's a metaphorical usage outside our current scope. Here are some more usage examples in sentences. The farmer specialized in a particular breed of sheep. The dog's breed is known for its loyalty. Different breeds of horses are suited for different purposes. This breed of cattle is resistant to disease. The breeder is working to improve the breed's genetic health. Understanding the breed characteristics helps with training. She studies the different breeds of poultry. The rare breed of bird is protected by law. He is an expert on the various breeds of rabbits. They exhibited their prize breed at the county fair. The veterinarian specializes in caring for a certain breed of dog. The new breed of robot is designed for space exploration. The unique breed of flower only grows in the mountains. This breed of honeybee is known for producing high-quality honey. They are researching the history of different breeds of livestock. In conclusion, breed, and C1 level noun, refers to a specific animal variety. We explored synonyms like strain, kind, and stock, and antonyms like mongrel, hybrid, and generic. Remember, understanding the nuances of words like breed can significantly enhance your communication skills. Thank you for tuning in to Hello Word today. I hope you found this episode informative and enjoyable. Before you go, Please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover Hello Word and expand their vocabulary too. And now I have a challenge for you. Create your own sentence using the word breed and share it in the comments below the video. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Happy learning, everyone!